So I went to JCPenney because you're gonna drive recklessly and hit me. I went to JCPenney because my sister said she wants a necklace for her birthday. I saw it online, but I thought it would be in stores because I was trying to get it so I can surprise her with it. Baby, it's not in the store. And then she showed me the little K pendant, but you have to get like the chain part. She said about $300. I thought $300. No, ma'am. So now she wanted to come with me, but I said no, girl. I said no, I have things to do. We're going separate ways. Recording on my phone. So, but now I have to go to Kohl's because Kohl's has Sephora inside. We're at Kohl's. Return our items. Now we're gonna go to Sephora before they close to get my eyebrow pencil for tomorrow. Let's go back down the escalator. Oh, it takes me a minute to get on the escalator. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did it.
Who are you? Fashion fan.
It was meant for me to have
I
it.
don't see my second
Best lip liner.
Well, we're batting 100, so.
Yeah? Yeah, it smells really good. Present. Yeah, it smells really good. Bag secured. Now let's go to the W. I hope there's carts inside. Y'all, why is deodorant so expensive?
Thank you for shopping at Walmart. If any assistance is needed, please contact one of our store associates.
What is this one? They done locked up all the makeup at Walmart. Like, see the red things? It's locked. I don't think I need any makeup though. I'm gonna go get a birthday card. Get cash back and get out of here because I'm hungry. Oh, it's all wipes. Okay.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
This is like the rum tour all over again.
It's good.
Why don't you put it on your left hand?
Oh, it's full.
That's good?
It's good. Put it on my left.
No. Whichever one you're
So that one is full. That's why I would.
No.
You want to be in my vlog all of a sudden?
She's already done.
Are you surprised? Amar trying to make us get fat. Listen, I just lost like 20 pounds. I can't get it back. Thank you.
You guys got
Is that
chicken
curry?
and cheese.
Curry, basically curry chicken.
Thank you. The curry was what we had last time. This cheese. Thank you. I like the cheese one. It's good.
It's just beef and cheese, right?
I like cheese.
It's beef and cheese.
Yeah.
A little spicy.
I'll tell the group chat. We made it.
You did a good job.
No.
Beat you to it.
Why would you do that?
Come on, we ready.
I was gonna say y'all always traveling. Not like him.
I was gonna be out.
You guys, we made it to Jamaica. You sound sick. We made it to Jamaica. We back, baby, for part 2. Just like I said, we didn't know it was gonna be that quick though, but we back for part 2. We are staying at a beautiful resort, so I'll let you guys know the resort once we leave, of course, because you already know. But it's beautiful. This is our view. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower and go to sleep. The music is loud, my mom's on the phone, but I just took a shower. I feel so much better. I washed my hair. Maybe play with it if you want to. I'm definitely going to let it dry out. I'm about to edit VLOGMAS. You might hear music in the background, so I'm gonna try to stay away, but yeah. They was in the pool chilling, but now I think they, a good amount left already.
Later.
I just woke up, you guys. Literally, we have the biggest bathroom, but we can see the show. We can see the show from here. This is nice, and there's still people outside. It's 10 o'clock at night. Oh, they grab people from the audience to dance. Oh, good thing I ain't show up, girl. Oh, they jumping rope. You can't see her because the light is white, but there she go, my good sis. Your girl ain't gotta go too far, baby, because it's right here. I could pull up a chair and just watch entertainment from my room. How crazy is that? We got a good room. Love it. Yeah, you put it in. Room service. This is a cheesecake. I didn't know it was gonna look like that. And then we both got burgers. Nachos with cheese. You know I'm a nacho girly. And then this is a fruit. The fruit looked good. I should have gotten fruit too, but it's okay. And then of course our condiments right here. Oh. We about to tear it down. Which one has no pickles? Oh. This is no pickle. Fries are good. What diet? No. When you get that food in you, you start to feel better. I'm feeling better. One fry. That's all it took. One fry. So yeah. I'm about to eat. Y'all can hear the music. I think I'm gonna close the door. But they getting litty out there. Yeah, I'm about to eat. Trying to finish uploading my YouTube video. Make sure you guys are subscribing for the Vlogmas. I'm trying to do my thumbnail. And yeah. So, Married at First Sight. Oh, I can't wait for the show. Okay, so that's it, y'all. I'm pretty sure you can hear the music. So, I'll talk to y'all once we're done eating. The nachos are a little stale. It's like, it's missing that crunch. Oh. Never mind. Let's try the burger. Oh. This is my first time ever in life that I could recall ever ordering room service. What a luxury. I've never ordered room service before. The fries are good. This is a huge burger. Yeah. Your fruit look nice.
Nice, but it boy.
I got cheesecake, but I'm gonna try some of your fruits.
Oui, un petit foot ça, oui. Ah, il a ça, il dit pour nous mettre. Non, ça?
No, it's like
Oui, ça.
nacho cheese, but I don't like it.
Tu vas mettre un sur ça, non? Tu veux mettre? Ah, merde.
Mayonnaise and ketchup and mustard. You guys, I just finished braiding my hair. And I moisturized it. Use my oil. Definitely check it out. This is Lolo's Hair Care Intensive Oil. Okay, I've been using it. I'm trying to be consistent. So you see I've been using a little bit or whatever because it was full to the top. So yeah. I'll put her information down below. But yeah, we done moisturize the scalp. Baby, our hair is braiding. Who would have thought 3 months ago my hair would be like, I could braid it. Come through, Jesus. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna finish editing, start editing this video because I just finished eating. The food was good. The fruits was not as sweet, but the pineapple was really sweet, so yeah. And I like to put it, you know what? I shouldn't be putting this oil on my body because I'm just like getting hairy. I don't want to grow hair except for on top of my head, so yeah. I'm gonna try to edit the other vlog so I could be on top of Vlogmas. Make sure you are subscribed because it's gonna be a Vlogmas style vlog, 25 days. Yeah, so I'm gonna start editing. And yeah, I'm getting sleepy though, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm not trying to go to sleep because I just ate. I need some water. I want ice. I don't know where to get ice from. So yeah. But I'll catch you guys in the morning for official day 1 of doing things or whatever. Have a good night. See you later. Bye.